Hello guys, we have a 2019 Buick Regal here. Our remote is dead, the battery is not working. How do we open the vehicle? Simply, you press the button back here, the silver button. As you can see, the key comes out. Take your key, and this right here can also come out. People think that there's no cylinder here, but there is. You simply got to use your key, and there's a rectangular slot right there. You stick it in, and you kind of got to push in and twist it out. There we go. And there you go, okay? So once again, 2019 Buick Regal, that's how you open your door. Simply remove that cover, which is right there, and then it simply, you can clamp it back to the vehicle, and that's pretty much it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Take care.